Welcome back to SweeTings. Today we are making a chocolate marbled cake and the decor is going to be strawberry margarita. For my first pan, I have my vanilla cake mix and I am drizzling chocolate cake mix into the pan. I will be using a long toothpick just to even out the chocolate cake mix and get that marbled design. For my second pan, I have my chocolate cake mix as my base, and then I will be using the vanilla cake mix to make a marble design as well. Now it is time to decorate. I start by putting a little bit of icing on my cake board to keep my cake in place so it won't slip and slide. I am finished crumb coating the cake. Now I am going to color my buttercream a pink color to match the strawberry margarita vibe. A little food coloring goes a long way, so you always want to start out with a few drops in the beginning. Now I'm using some fondant to put on the back of my edible image. This is the Jose Cuervo Strawberry Lime Margarita picture that I will be using to put on my cake. I'm using fondant to make it a little bit more 3D and a little bit more durable when I attach it to the cake. I did not add anything to the back of the fondant to attach it to the cake. The buttercream is still a little bit moist, not as much dried out, so I was able to just apply the fondant directly to the cake. If you need to moisten the cake, you can use water on the back of the fondant to help attach the fondant to the cake. Now I'm about to add drizzle to the cake using the Chocolate Maker brand cake drip in the color pink. This was my first time making this type of cake, so it definitely was practice, and I am also still practicing my piping techniques. I did not use the correct frosting here for the piping, so the frosting was a little bit looser than my liking, but you live and you learn. Now it is time to insert the margarita bottle. I did not cut a hole out into the cake. I also left the top on the bottle. It was not necessary to cut a hole out in the cake because there's enough space to just push it down, and it was very sturdy, so I like how it came out. For the decorations, I added chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate covered marshmallows to make it girly and pretty. Now it's time to show you the inside of the cake. Are you ready to see some cake guts? Thank you for watching, SweeTings.